Microsoft SQL Server. It is database management system using for system query language. Google search box లో SQL Server download enter. Enter key press microsoft.com Microsoft SQL Server downloads. First link click. Microsoft Data Platform official redirectory web page complete display. Microsoft SQL Server downloads section లో mouse scroll down. Get started with SQL Server on premises or in the cloud section లో third one. SQL Server latest version 2025 developer mode. Second one, download enterprises developer edition option. Click. Download section లో exe file downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో exe set of file display. Select mouse double click. SQL Server 2025 window లో first button yes click. Folder minimize. SQL Server 2025 Enterprises Developer Edition window లో second option. Custom select. Specify SQL Server media download target location path display in box. Local disk C newly created folder SQL 2025. Minimum free space 8735 MB. Bottom side third button install click. Downloading install packages. Downloading process start. Getting started SQL Server. Set of files downloading process start. Wait and hear process completing. SQL Server downloading files, extracting setup files. Process start. SQL Server Installation Center window లో left side second one installation options select. Right side first one new SQL Server standard alone installation on add features to an existing installation. First option click. Please wait while Microsoft SQL Server 2025 setup process the current operation. Wait and hear few seconds. Edition window లో second button next click. License and terms. I accept the license terms box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second button next click. Microsoft update unnecessary. Second button next click. Install set of files. Second button next click. Azure extension for SQL Server present unnecessary. Azure extension for SQL Server left side box tick mark remove. Present installation only database purpose. Second button next click. Features selection window లో features interface features. First one database engine services left side box tick mark set. Sixth one analysis service left side box tick mark set. Mouse left click. Second button next click. Please wait. Instance configuration window లో first option default instance name MS SQL Server. Second one option left side circle tick mark set. Enter the name. Charlie Tech as its same instance ID. Enter name. Delete key press. Bottom side second button next click. Please wait. Server configuration window లో second button next click. Database engine configuration window లో first one server configuration and authentication mode. Two options display. First one default Windows authentication mode. Second one mixed mode SQL Server authentication and Windows authentication. Left side option circle tick mark set. Specify the password for the SQL Server system administrator SA account. First one enter password. Second one confirm password as its same. Second line enter. Bottom side first one add current user. First button click. Current user system information window లో related name as its same insert in box. Second button next click. First button, add current user. Button select. Second button, next click. Ready to install. Verify the SQL Server 2025 features to be installed. Summary display in middle section box. And configuration file path, default path display. Second button, install click. Installation progress window SQL Server installation start. Wait and here few minutes. Scheduling future. Running packages. Left side window installation process step by step. All options completed. Last one complete. Close button click. Information about this setup operation on possible next setup without error. All features status window succeeded. Close button click. Desktop SQL Server installation setup window reopen. Right side third option install SQL Server management tools. Mouse left click. Auto reopen. Install SQL Server Management Studio section లో blue color button. Download SQL Server Management Studio 22 installer button click. Download section లో ssms.exe file downloading process completed. Open file option click. Visual Studio installer window లో first button yes click. Browser minimize. Visual Studio installer window లో first button continue click. Visual Studio installer window లో getting the Visual Studio installer ready. First one downloading process start. After at the same time installing process also starting. Wait and here few minutes. Getting the Visual Studio installer ready. Installing SQL Server Management Studio 2022 22 point window. Maximize 4 options display. If you want 4 options necessary, tick mark set to present unnecessary. Right side bottom section లో install button click. Visual Studio installer window లో first option install section లో SQL Server Management Studio 2022. First one downloading and verifying files. Second section లో as it same time process downloading completed, installation also started. Installation packages 1 to 200. Downloading and installation process completing until wait and here few minutes. Done installing window లో OK button click. Right side second button launch click. SQL Server Management Studio window minimize. Sign into SQL Server. Fourth option skip and add account later option click. SQL Server Management interface window display. Connect window లో first one history. Second option browse click. First option local. Left side expand icon click. First one select. Connection properties window లో first option server name default. Top section లో first option as it save insert in first box. And second one authentication right side down arrow click. Second one SQL Server authentication select. Username box mouse left click. SCA server authentication enter. Next password. Already enter the password as it same enter in box. Next encrypt mandatory default set right side down arrow click. Second one optional click. First button connect click. Left side object explorer window లో second directory database. Left side expand icon click. System database. Top section లో new query click. Bottom side zoom and zoom in click. DB. Third section లో execute icon click. No issue found. Command completed successfully display. Query executed successfully display. Left side object explorer window లో refresh icon click. Chari tech info database query file display.